Hello, in this video we are going to use WAHA for the WhatsApp integration with N8N. And yeah, so first of all, navigate to this URL, and after navigating to this URL, click on this one and download the archive. I'll leave all the links in the description, but for this one you just download the archive. I have already done this, and you have then to extract it. And then if you are on Mac, just right click and go to the services and type in or click new terminal, add folder. If you are in other devices or in other operating systems like Linux or Windows, you can navigate to this directory or this file using, if you are in Windows, the command line. And then if you are on Linux, like using Ubuntu or any other operating system, you just use the terminal and just cd to the file. If you want me to actually show you how to do this on other operating system, it's really simple, but yeah, let me know. And once you open the terminal or the command line on Windows, type in docker compose up, type this one, okay, and hit enter. Or before that, actually I'm gonna stop this one. Let's just stop this one. Before that, I just want to tell you something. Just go to the folder here and open up this file. This file actually has all the configuration for the N8N plus the WAHA images, or yeah. So if you are familiar with Docker and have used it before, this is something that you already know. But the thing that I want to mention here is that yeah, I use this one just for testing something, so this one is not needed. Yeah. Now the thing is, once you download this, like download the archive, you will see the file as this one, here. Okay. So once you see it, you will see it like this one. It's exactly the same as this one. Okay. The thing is, if you are using M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, whatever, if you are using Mac, for example, the latest, like the Silicon, Apple Silicon, you just keep this one as it is, like this one. If you are using like Windows, or yeah, you can just yeah, Windows or Linux, you just gonna remove this part. Okay, since I'm using Mac, I'm just keeping this as it is. But if you are using Windows or not, um, um, you see the description here, I just kept this one here for you. So basically, if you are in Mac, you keep everything as is. If you're not, or if you're not using this uh, this ARM devices, you just remove this part. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, let's close this one. It's not needed, and let's open up the terminal. Oops. Where is the terminal? I think it's already opened. Yeah. Control R, docker compose up. All right, and then we type in docker compose up, and yeah. So you will see this settings. So let's go up, 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 up. All right, you'll see this settings. So we're gonna go to localhost 3000, and the username is admin, and the password is this one. Okay, so let's go admin, and the password is this one. Okay, this is the API. We need to go to the dashboard, so it's slash dashboard. Okay, great. Now since we have set all these things up, what we're gonna do next is we are going to edit this one. We keep this one as is, but the API key here is this one. So we copy it and then we paste it here and then we save. Yeah, it's working. Now it's the time to link our WhatsApp, let's call it the WhatsApp service, customer service account, or our WhatsApp that will respond to our customers' queries, or actually can do many things, do bookings on or create orders or whatever. Yeah, we can adjust all of that. So I'm gonna add a new one. So I'm gonna start this one and let's open up this one, and on your WhatsApp just link device, and let's wait this one until it's fully opened. On my WhatsApp on my phone, I'm just opening up my WhatsApp. So why this failed? Okay, let's try it. Not restart. Restarting will let us do it again. Okay, let's restart. Okay, let's restart the worker. Yes, restart. And let's open this up. Failed to start because basically this one, the API key has been changed. So let's go down. Yes, let's go here, copy this one and put it here and save. Okay, now let's start, and it's starting. Hopefully it'll work. Now let's open this one. Why it takes that much time? Can I refresh? Okay, now this is cool. Now I'm opening up my WhatsApp and I'm gonna scan the code. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it has linked, and that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, now it's working. Now what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna open up N8N. So let's go. And the username and password. And what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna add the first step here, which is I'm gonna listen for the trigger. Do I have WAHA? Alright, if you don't have WAHA already installed, you can just go into the settings. Actually it's in here. Wait, I have it here. Go to the settings and then community nodes and install. Just copy this one and paste it and you are ready to go. Okay, I've already done this. So here I would have WAHA trigger, and I'm gonna add it to the workflow. And you see this, can we go to the production or to the test? Okay, that's fine. Actually we can go to the test for now, and let's or actually yeah, we can use this one, or we can use the but this gives more capabilities and so on. And we can use also the normal webhook. You can use both. So I'm gonna make this one, it's post, I'm gonna like say message whatever. And yeah, let's now copy this one. Okay, this is fine. And let's yeah, keep it WhatsApp, or just call it WAHA. Okay, yeah. And then we have the webhook here. Now the thing that I want to do is that I go to the here, where this one, and then go to the configuration and add a webhook. And the webhook here is the one that we have copied, but make sure that we don't use localhost here. We just change this with N8N, with this one. Okay, this one, because we have tied it here N8N. If we change it to something else, we use this one. Okay, so for example, if I call this N8N image, or N8N anything, N8, my N8N, you would copy my N8N and then put it here. Okay, okay, for our case we call it N8N, so we copy this one and we paste it here. Okay, okay, so since this is a test, just I'm gonna do the test, and then later on we will do the full production thing. We just need the message for now. Yeah, we just need the message. And let's execute this workflow as well. So yeah, let's go and update. Now whenever whenever I send a message, it will appear here. So let me send a message. Hello. Oops. We've got it here. Okay, you see we've got the message here. And yeah, now we can do, what we're gonna do is that once I receive a message, we can create an AI agent. So let's create, yeah, AI agent. And yeah, what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna change this to this one. I'm just typing here any random stuff. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, the user message is the one that we have sent. So basically, it's the test. Where it is, where it is, where it is. I want to see the message that I have sent, which is where where's the message? I don't see it. Yeah, it's this one. I said hello, right? Yeah, I said hello. So we copy this one, we paste it here, and that's it. And that's the thingy. And I would have here the model. Okay, okay, that's fine. And let's use the okay, so let's choose this one for example. I hope it's working. Okay, so GPT, let's go mini. Yes, this one. And yeah, that's good, that's cool. So this is the thing that we are using, the model that we're gonna use. This is the settings. And one last thing is that this is the message. And I want to make sure that we have a memory of our message, so we can use the simple memory. And we're gonna define it, the key, as yeah, and then we keep the latest 5 messages, up to 5 messages. So basically the key here would be something unique. So I think no, I think, yeah, we can keep the key as the ID of the user who sends to us. Yes. Okay, so this is the key. So yeah, or this one. Actually, we can call it from. Yes, this one. I think it's, yeah, it's from the sender. So basically, we choose this one as our unique identifier for the message. So basically, for each user, from the sender number. Okay. Okay. So yeah, now once we do this, we just send message. Send it's WAHA, and then we send the message. How to send? I hope there is send a text message. Um, Now, I have already set up the WAHA account. It's the same thing as we have done. We just choose WAHA 3000. And again, if we have named this something other than WAHA, we change it to that name. Okay. So because we have named it WAHA, we have to use the same thing, WAHA. Okay. The only thing that we need to change here is the API key, which is this one. So let's copy it and let's paste it. Let's try again. It's working. And let's save, and let's close this one, close, and we send the text message. Okay, now let's execute a workflow, and let's try to send again. Okay, hello, what's the most expensive laptop that you have? We'll see, it's sending and we are waiting for it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so basically we have to update all of these. So yeah, it makes sense. So the output is gonna be here. We just, you see it has returned it. And yeah, and the session and the chat ID, those are from here. Let's go. Where's the session chat ID? Okay, so think this is the chat ID, JSON payload from. Okay, yeah, sorry. So we've got the chat ID, it's the payload.from. Okay, so that's good to know. And JSON.session, which is you mean this one? He said the JSON.session, so like this, JSON.session. I'm not sure what. Yeah, let's. I think this is the session body, JSON.body.session. I think they have to update it, but yeah. Okay, let's try one more time, and let's execute the workflow again. Let's um, let's try to copy paste it again. That's fine. And I'm waiting for them to respond. It has sent it. Yeah, awesome. So let's try again. Let's execute the workflow. And what's the laptop that has a short um, battery? Yeah, a short battery. How to say it? Lifetime, or yeah, battery life. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I think it's lifetime. Not lifetime, but I think it's something else. But yeah, yeah, it has sent it. The laptop with the shortest battery life is laptop B, which has a battery of, which is, yeah, and this is correct. I think it's correct. B is 3 hours. Yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I just wanted to mention that yeah, the last weeks I had a lot of meetings and yeah, a lot of stuff, so I was not able to um yeah make, yeah, I was a bit busy, but hopefully I'll try to be publishing on weekly basis. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.